5 by 4 is 20. 5 by 4 is 20. The answer is 220. 4 by 9 is 36. 5 by 9 is 45. The answer is 405. 4 by 2 is 8. 3 by 2 is 6. The answer is 86. 4 by 8 is 32. 9 by 8 is 72. The answer is 392. 4 by 2 is 8. 5 by 2 is 10. The answer is 90. 1 by 8 is 08. 9 by 8 is 72. The answer is 152. 9 by 2 is 18. The answer is 180. 5 by 3 is 15. 3 by 3 is 9. The answer is 159. 1 by 5 is 05. 6 by 5 is 30. The answer is 80. 1 by 8 is 08. 2 by 8 is 16. The answer is 96. 3 by 7 is 21. 1 by 7 is 07. The answer is 217. 2 by 7 is 14. 2 by 7 is 14. The answer is 154. 8 by 2 is 16. 9 by 2 is 18. The answer is 178. 8 by 4 is 32. 5 by 4 is 20. The answer is 340. 4 by 7 is 28. 3 by 7 is 21. The answer is 301.